Yo, what's going on, man? I know you and all, but I still got a question for you. If you get it right, I got $100 for you.
Type shit.
You ready?
Yeah.
Spell cough.
Cougf.
That's the second person to say F. Where's the F coming from?
Cough.
Did you just spell it? Spell it one more time.
Cougf.
All right, no cough.
I mean, I'm bugging. Cough.
Cough. Yeah, I just gave up in life. Just cough.
Ready, set.
Spell that.
Hold on, wait a minute. Let me see.
I said spell it.
I'm trying to word it out type shit, you feel me? So I can spell it type shit. Um,
Look, your lips like perking, man. Do you got it now?
Nah,
You can't do it?
I ain't got it.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. Spell cough again, though.
Stuff I know for, huh?
Spell cough one more time.
Cough.
Okay, I just want to make sure you got that part.